I have a 1999 Toyota Camry, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open up the hood. Just going to go ahead and open up your driver's side door. And underneath where your feet go, there is a latch, and that latch has an emblem on it. It's a car with a hood open. You're going to go ahead and pull this latch, and you're going to hear a pop. That's the cable release for the vehicle's hood. Once you go ahead and walk over to the hood, right above the front grille where the emblem is, you're going to reach your hand in, and you're going to feel a little lever. With your thumb, you reach in and you'll lift up the latch. This will release it from the mechanism. You see there's a hood latch bar right there, and it clicks right into this latch. Then you can reach down in and get the hood bar, and you can support the hood. And that's how you open up the hood on a 1999 Toyota Camry. Hope that video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.